Hey guys, we have brought you all here today for this very exciting opportunity. Nobody knows what it is.
No, nobody said anything.
What's going on?
Welcome to my world.
Welcome. Here's what's going on.
He's got scoliosis.
You like to destroy things, don't you?
Not destroyed, simply created a pond.
Fetty and Aussie, can you do me a favor? Can you extend the giant ladder to its tallest form? Thank you very much.
Peak height. Where did we get this anyways?
That's from the balloon. So the challenge is to use this as a grapple to climb up to the roof.
We're doing like a ladder match?
Would you guys like to be any louder? At least it's not me screaming.
No, you don't. Oh, maybe you have it. Okay, we're on to something. There we go. All right.
Oh yes!
Ah, you got
Woohoo! Okay, so this is your prize, gentlemen. The contest is to get this skull off of the roof from the wall ride.
How is that gonna work for me?
The first person who achieves said task will get $100 bill. We finally have an actual cash bill.
Have you seen me touch the roof? It's terrifying. I tried and I failed miserably.
Can I run?
Wait, do you have to land it though?
The only rules are you have to have a skateboard involved.
Grab the belt and the ladder falls and you fall and you got it.
You have to ride up on the
ladder,
skateboard.
grab it,
You don't necessarily have to roll away on the skateboard.
rolling, right? And roll away. Aaron will give you $1,000.
I will give you $100 bill.
I go to pull it and it doesn't like rip.
No, it's just part of the risk involved.
No, it'll rip. It'll rip.
Okay,
I'm just
Aaron
gonna
will
put
give
it
you
like.
$1,000 if you do it fakey.
I mean, we'll have it hanging
So
like a
what's
bit
the whole point of the ladder? Just
to
get it up
to
there.
get the skull up there.
can we like use it for art? Like
No.
just launch up, jump, grab the board, climb up the ladder, grab it, and then acid drop back in.
This isn't a riddle. You can't just do that.
Okay, let's go.
I don't think there's any books on
Can we use electric boards?
Do you think long after like
right
this
up
YouTube channel is done, they'll write a book about us?
I really hope so.
We'll see, man. I don't know.
It's definitely fine. Look, it's gonna be hanging, dangling. I'll get up there and then I'll put it like right at the very end. Can you fine blokes help me with the ladder? Special guest Luke. Why aren't you guys more excited about this challenge? They are. It's just inside. Light. Oh no, it's too tall.
Hey, just climb up there, we'll hold it for you.
Why are you guys putting it on the side?
I don't know.
Put it in the middle.
I'll climb up there.
I just want to go up there.
I'll make sure you don't fall.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
Yeah, it's backwards.
Sure.
It's backwards.
Carlos, get below there and hold the ladder. Just kidding, just kidding.
It just collapsed and crushed Carlos. Oh no. Luckily, if the ladder does fall, it'll kind of just slide down instead of just falling, you know?
No, it would go like,
Look how
it would
Aaron's
fall.
holding the drill.
So
And the drill.
here's the ladder, right? It would fall like this, and Aaron would get like Venus flytrap.
No. No.
That's $100, bro. You better get up there.
I think nobody's excited about the actual bill.
This is one you actually get hurt doing. After we go grab it and it doesn't break and I'm just dangling on the skull, dude.
Would be the happiest person if that happened.
Ah!
Dude, there's no way. There's no way.
A huge thanks to Audible for sponsoring this video. I really like Audible because you can get tons of audiobooks. You just sign up, you get an audiobook, you listen to it, and it's super, super easy. One book that I listened to recently that I thought was really, really good is the book on Elon Musk. It is a very interesting, fascinating book. So right now, you can go to audible.com/Braille Skateboarding or text Braille Skateboarding to 500-500, and you will get a 30-day free trial and a book of your choice for free. Every month you get 1 free audiobook and 2 free Audible originals. Check it out and listen to a bunch of books and get some knowledge. It will really help you in your life. Let's go. I'm writing a book, and it's going to be out probably within the next 2 months, called How to Get a Billion Views, and it will be on Audible. Let's go.
Can you read it to me? Like, if I listen to it, it'll be you reading it?
Yes,
Oh,
absolutely.
that's amazing.
Yeah.
Then it's
Most
amazing.
audiobooks are like that. Usually the author, yeah. Some are not, but a lot of them, the author does read it.
I wish R.L. Stein would read me Goosebumps.
Daniel just pulled the board off the wall and started pushing Mongo. Luke, I know you're on the wall ride. Let's go.
Someone gets close and then I'm just
Shut
hit
up.
it up.
It's high.
I'm not gonna tell you, but I have my own method to get this done.
No, Uzi. No, Uzi, go away. Go away. You are not allowed. I like the idea. I like the idea.
There you go. I gotta go faster.
When you guys were filming, Daniel was like, "Oh, I have a secret plan." Like he had it all.
You're banished.
How is Troy standing right there? What is he thinking?
You were really smart to not put it right on the wall, though.
I told you! I told you! I have my money on Carlos. He he touched it.
No.
I had a plan and it's not working.
We should have made them have to land it.
Oh. Hide down, my friend. Careful. Careful, careful. How you feeling?
I can grab it.
You can get it, I know.
I'm just.
And land it?
That's the hard part.
Here's what I'm thinking. Get the freaking money first, then prove yourself after.
Oh, that's what I was worried about. Oh, that's what I was worried about.
Oh! 16 feet to his side. That was the scariest thing I've ever seen.
In the way. So all I saw was just him fly up, and then the light got in the way, and then he just slammed.
Board.
He is a cartoon character. He's a cartoon character.
Bring out the cash.
He literally hit the wall. Oh, what? The beast from LA.
So is it fair game? Anyone gets it
Fair
wins?
game, anyone. Fetty doesn't even want to get in there. He's like style and grace.
Man.
He needs to just, he's like,
and this next one, I'm gonna actually just do it.
Nigel and Carlos, they're close though. They're both right there. That Carlos fall was one of the worst things I've ever seen.
both of them.
Did I get it?
I got it! I win! I'm on my board, I win!
I felt right to my back.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Well, after I got about halfway up, I don't really remember what happened. If you tie it better, maybe we have to grab it.
So you think we should tie it better, so you have to grab it?
Maybe,
Okay,
yeah.
let's go.
I don't remember, honestly.
Your back is good though?
I'm good.
Hey, good thing right now though is that Nigel and Carlos are losing all their hype right now.
I mean, Luke could have just been like, I got it down, and we would have been like, it's true. Here you go.
To succeed winning the challenge, you must have it in your hand, in your grasp. It doesn't matter how many hands you're holding it in, but you must walk or roll away with it in your hands or fall away.
Grab it and then drop it, but then catch it before it hits
That's
the
totally fine, as long as it ends up in your hands.
Grab it, toss it, eat crap, and then catch it yourself.
Yeah, because it fell a little bit after you did.
Yeah,
Like hit it and then catch it.
and then catch it one more time.
Keep in mind, to get up there, you have to like go backwards. You're gonna hit the transition regardless. Like, oh wow.
After that one fall, I'm a little scared to try it again. Because I fell kind of to flat. Carlos really fell to flat.
Here we go, Carlos. Here we go. Woo, woo.
Watch out, Daniel's coming.
He had it. He was like right here. He could have just grabbed it.
You got it, Los. Yikes. Someone, nope, you know, oh, thank you. Woo, lifesaver.
We got a winner!
Congratulations, my friend.
That was the scariest thing ever.
Oh yeah, dude.
Now he's got to ride down. Let's dangle it and see if he can grab it.
Just let it dangle. Freddie and Aaron, they had Carlos winning. You know who I said? I said Nigel.
I literally fell like 14 feet flat, dude.
Surprised he didn't do it because you said a skateboard is involved. I'm surprised you didn't roll up.
No, I was gonna ride and like run up the wall.
Ninja style.
Yeah, I did my best. Congratulations, man. That was awesome. My fall was like, you ever seen the accordions? My whole core just went like that. Like, straight up got scratched in, dude.
American Ninja Warrior got nothing on Braille.
No.
American Ninja Warrior is pretty tall.
Hey, I think it might have been this tall. No, it wasn't this tall. I know, it was 15 feet.
About American Ninja Warrior?
It was 15 feet, wasn't it? The tallest one, which is
remember.
that tall.
Can I get a Montanonian war cry?
I'm holding the ladder.
Yeah, it's possible. It's not even high. Look at how far it's dangling.
Looking at that, dude, you 100% have that. That's how high you go.
Yeah, but it's still
You might,
scary,
just have
like
to go to,
reaching
you might
out.
have to go to fakie.
That's a fakie? Maybe.
What is that noise you made? Oh!
I need a form of protection.
Dude, that's
I've never been safer in my life.
Yeah.
never walked again.
I purposely didn't grab it because I knew I wasn't gonna land it.
Use the Snurf board.
That was scary. Daniel, thank you.
Got the eye of the Troy.
Again? We have to put it up there again?
I undid it.
No,
I walked.
no, you didn't.
I went in.
No.
I went in reverse.
You didn't undo it. You walked through it twice.
That's a mirror.
No, you walked through it twice.
We need like a ladder crew. Ladder crew! Every time he pulls it off like that, it gets a little bit higher.
Point being is I experienced it too, okay?
You
I know.
You fell from a second-story house.
Come down and they go so fast that flames start coming
Playing
on.
it in my head now, but of him coming out of a second story house just going.
I may be a dunce, but I am dense.
You're light as a feather.
Gravity really spoke to me on that last fall.
I've never had American pizza.
Just kidding. It's too high? Got him! I saw it! It was great! Let's do a Braille musical. Troy, give us some opera. Oh!
I'm so glad it didn't come off.
He let go.
That's what I was trying to do, is palm the whole thing.
So do I need longer string now or what?
Well, house, I got my NASCAR pit here. We're going up, getting Aaron up on this ladder here. He's putting up that skull for me to go up and grab and come back down like hee 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 hee.
Yes, sir.
Yeah! That was good.
Nice to meet you.
That was amazing.
I slid down like 3 feet straight sideways. Oh, palmed it. Michael Jordan.
Dude, you killed it. You absolutely
sir.
crushed it.
Thank you, sir.
Incredible.
Terrifying.
Yeah, I was scared just
But
to be on
fun.
the ladder.
Yeah.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and learn how to skateboard. We'll see you in the next video.